Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us see the easy way to solve polynomial equation. We are supposed to solve x power 4 minus 5x squared is equal to 36. Since our polynomial has a highest power of 4, it has 4 solutions. Now, what we are going to do first, we are going to reduce the fourth power into quadratic by letting y is equal to x squared. First, let us put our polynomial in normal polynomial form by taking 36 to the left-hand side. That is x power 4 minus 5x squared minus 36. This is equal to 0. I'm going to put x power 4 as x squared minus 5x squared minus 36. This is equal to 0. Let y is equal to x squared. Substitute y where there is x squared to our equation. That is going to be y squared minus 5y minus 36. This is equal to 0. Let us factorize y squared minus 5y minus 36 is equal to 0. 36 is the same as 9 multiplied by 4. I need to get minus 5y. So 9 is going to take negative and 4 is going to be positive. Because minus 9 plus 4, we get minus 5. And minus 9 multiplied by 4, we get minus 36. Y squared minus 9y plus 4y minus 36. This is equal to 0. Let us factorize. We are going to factor out y, and here we are going to factor out 4. We are going to have y in the bracket is going to remain y minus 9. I'm going to factor out 4. I'm going to remain with y minus 9. This is equal to 0. Now I have y minus 9, y plus 4. This is equal to 0. But remember, we let y equal to x squared. So I'm going to substitute here the value of y as x squared. That is going to be in the bracket x squared minus 9 x squared plus 4. This is equal to 0. We have two factors, x squared minus 9 and x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Let's take first x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. X squared minus 9, this is equal to 0. This is x squared. 9 is the same as 3 squared. That is minus 3 squared. This is equal to 0. This is different of two squares. If we have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b, a minus b. This is equal to x plus 3, x minus 3. This is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. That gives us x is equal to minus 3, and x minus 3, this is equal to 0, which is going to give us x is equal to 3. Already we have two solutions, that is x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 3. Now let's go and find the solution for x squared plus 4 equal to 0. X squared plus 4 equal to 0. X squared plus 4, this is equal to 0. I can write it as x squared plus 0x plus 4. This is equal to 0. The coefficient of x squared is a, which is equal to 1. Coefficient of x that is b, which is equal to 0, and c is equal to 4. I'm going to use our general formula. Let us substitute our coefficients to our general formula. X is equal to b is equal to 0, 0 plus or minus square root of b is equal to 0, that is 0 minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is equal to 4, over 2 times a is equal to 1. X is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4. I'm going to get minus 16 over 2. X will be equal to plus or minus square root of minus 16. I'm going to get complex number, that is 4i over 2. X is equal to 4 divided by 2. We get positive or minus 2i. The value of x is equal to 2i, or x is equal to minus 2i. The solution of our equation are x is equal to 3, negative 3, 2i, and minus 2i. I hope you understand how to solve this polynomial equation. For more questions on polynomial equation, you can check my playlist over here.